When you're entering data into Excel spreadsheets, often the information won't fit the column width and will run over the cell border. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. You can easily and automatically resize columns using the Format button. I'll explain how to use this feature for great results. Here's a spreadsheet where the cell data runs over the cell borders. Let's make this more readable and professional looking. First, go ahead and click on the column that you'd like to resize. I'll go ahead and click on column A. And to resize multiple columns, you can press and hold the Control key while selecting only the columns that require resizing. To resize all of the columns, select the first one and then click and hold the left pointer button while dragging across. Release when all of the columns are selected. From the Home tab menu right here, go ahead and select Format. A new menu pops up. You can set fixed widths using the column width menu option, which is right here, or in our example, we'll use the AutoFit column width option so that each column is properly sized to fit the data already entered. So I'll go ahead and select that. All of the data now fits nicely into the columns and the columns are the correct size. And you're done. I hope you benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.